Hey, what is up, guys? My name is Sanket. You are watching Sanket's Brush, and today I'm going to show you how to create a NPC AI zombie. One of my subscribers requested me to explain how the state machine works, but actually I think he's using state machine for AI stuff. But I have created zombies. This is a fresh zombie. This is a smart zombie which is following the path, and there is the dumb zombie. We just see the player and run towards him, as you can see. So, what is the difference between these two zombies? Is actually let me show you the code behind it. One zombie have navigation agent. I hope you have basic idea how this thing works. There is path. This zombie is following a path. As you can see, the red line here. And let me show you what is happening here. So this is our map, and this is the navigation mesh, and here is our actual meshes, map meshes. These are the meshes, and this is our navigation mesh. This zombie is following the player through this mesh. If my player goes here, actually this one thing is not quite good in godot engine. If my player goes here and stops here, then the zombie will stop right here on this spot and will not move further because here is no navigation mesh. I tried to find how to make a custom navigation mesh, but I found nothing. So let me show you the code behind these. As you can see, so these things are not very important, but this, so as you can see, this is the navigation mesh, and yes, here you can see actual code. I'm using the navigation agent. I'm using the agent's path position to go towards. Actually, let's compare it with my. This was my first zombie, and this after I made some research. So let's see what I did in my dumb zombie. As you can see, the target is our player. Direction is just distance between our player and himself. I mean the zombie. The distance between player and zombie is direction, and that's how he gets the velocity dot x, velocity dot c, and this is gravity applied on this zombie. If I put direction dot c here, the zombie will float, and as you know, zombies don't know how to float. That's why there is gravity. And this is look at what you call that look at function. You can search this in godot documents, or just search over here. You will see how to use this look at function. And yes, he is looking at the player, the target. And I did this thing intentionally. The Whenever the player was making a jump or going on height above the zombie, then zombie would just do weird stuff like bend like this just to look at the player. So that's why the global rotations xc are 0. And yes, that's it. And player is just player, as you can see. So this is just simple player code. Okay, here you go. This is simple player code. Okay, there you go. You can see the player's code. And about state machine, I am using a simple state which is zombies touching the player or not. As you can see, I have a area here which tells the zombie when to stop. This is just a simple area 3D. I added a box collision in that, and I made a node signal to this script, and this is the node signal. This on body entered, that means whenever the players enter the area, took byte equals 0. And this is just a reference. Took byte is just a variable, integer variable, and I multiplied this with velocity, because let me show you what happens when I don't use this area thing. Let me just put 2 here. Now let's see what happened. As you can see, zombie is going back and forth. Zombie is trying to enter our body, and this is not good idea. That's why we need that area, so zombie know when to stop. Okay, and one more thing, I just want to show you. For now, this video is done. For next video, I have made something very cool thing, awesome thing. I just want to show you guys. And after this, I'll stop the video. I have created I managed to create a voxel world. I will try to use this. I have in my mind that I want to make a game which looks like Minecraft. And as you can see, this is just a very simple voxel world. I'm going to explain how I made this voxel world. And as you can see, for now, this is just a plain white color, and I haven't yet figured out how to make collisions for these things. So this is, I placed a actual block here, and everything else is procedurally generated. So yes, in next video I'm going to explain how I made this voxel terrain. So yes, this is it for now, and yes, that was it for this video. I'll Actually, I was trying to make this voxel terrain. That's why I was not making this video. And one more thing I have to show you. Actually, I got the idea of voxel terrain from this video, this greedy meshing voxel fast. Or if you want to make a video, if you want to make a voxel terrain like I did, just watch this video. You will learn a lot of things. So yes, for now, that's it. Goodbye, good night, and keep making games.